This is the problem of the hostinger website when we host the website from the hostinger from the WordPress. Okay, in this video I will tell you how to fix it. Let's see. First of all, this is our site and just click on the WordPress, and this is the update of the WooCommerce which came recently. Just click on the WooCommerce and click on the settings. After that, go to your site visibility. After that, here you can see that the coming soon option is clicked here, and we have to do it live, and we have to click on save changes. Here you can see our website has been did live. Now you can see our website. Now it is reloading. Okay, our website is live in front of us. Now I will show you by refreshing this. I will open the new link. First of all, we will copy this our URL of the website. After that, open the new window, paste your URL here, and open the website. And here you can see our website has been opened successfully. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you guys.